In this video, we are going to be looking at proportions property in triangles. So if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle and intersects the other two sides, then it divides those sides proportionally. So for example, we have this triangle that's being intersected by a line FE, and it's parallel to side SR. And so that creates this proportion TF over Fs is equal to TE over ER. And so substituting in those numbers into the proportion, you get 8 over 48 is equal to 9 over 54. And simplifying them down, they both equal 1 over 6. So therefore, those sides are proportional. So let's look at an example. Example 1, we are trying to find the side FK. So the first thing we need to do is set up the proportion that will help us solve it. So the proportion that will help us solve it is SA over AK is equal to PF over FK. And then just substituting in the numbers that we have, we know that SA is 12, AK is 16, and PF is 27. So that leaves us with FK, which is question mark. And then to solve this proportion, we just cross multiply 16 times 27 will equal 12 times question mark. And 16 times 27 will equal 432. And to solve this equation for question mark, you will divide 12 on both sides, and so 432 divided by 12 is equal to 36. So question mark will equal 36, and that's our answer. All right, let's look at a little harder example. Example 2. ED is parallel to RS, so even though they don't have the triangles on the sides to represent that they're parallel, I'm telling you here that they're parallel. And so first thing that we want to do is we want to set up our proportion. And so we are going to start with ER over ER over RC is equal to DS over SC. Now just looking at it, looks like we don't have some of this information, so I'm just going to substitute in what we do have. We know RC is 35 and SC is 50, and I'm going to let ER represent X at this point. And so that leaves us with trying to figure out what DS is, which we can figure out because we know that the whole side DC is 140 and we know that SC is 50. So to get DS, we are going to do 140 minus 50, which is equal to 90. And now I'm going to substitute 90 in for DS in our proportion. And then to solve this proportion, I'm going to cross multiply. 35 times 90 is going to equal 50x, and 35 times 90 is 3,150. And then to solve this for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 50. So x is going to equal 63, which means that that is equal to ER. Now, that doesn't answer our question. We're trying to find EC, which is question mark. So to get EC, we are going to add ER plus RC, and we just found ER to be 63. So 63 plus 35 is going to equal 98, and that's how we would solve that problem.